Okay, everybody, I've got some news, some big news. So stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, we have a camper update. I got a phone call today. I got some incredibly good news. The parts that Grand Design hadn't shipped yet came in. So they threw it together, well, put it together. They didn't throw it together. It looks like they really done a good job. And look behind me. Yes, the baby is home. And I am so happy about it. We're going to go through it. We're going to shoot a video showing you the repairs, what all they did. Like, for example, you see that white shiny roof? My. Brand new roof. And we're going to show you what they did. And we'll show you what it looked like before and after. So that's the next video. But I just want to let everybody know that we got the camper. We're in business. Time to start looking for campsites.